Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make presentation in PowerPoint with animation. So first thing what you will do is open up your PowerPoint and just simply go to your presentation. And now just simply finalize your presentation. And once you have finalized it, as you can see, I have a sample over here. Now, in order for you to add an animation, guys, you could just simply select an element that you have added. And at the top, you should be able to see here animations. Now, from here, you should be able to see here multiple animations. As you can see, when we click on it, it will automatically preview on how it will look. So guys, simple as that. You could just simply select a specific element and you could just simply go ahead and select some animations here on the top. And if you want to add more, you can just simply click on this and you will have more options over here. Now guys, when you go to the presentation view, as you can see, when we go to the slide and click on next, as you can see, we should be able to have that animation that we just added. And that's pretty much it. You could just simply add animation on each element based on your preferences. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching. See ya.